Okay, gang, how's everybody doing? Okay, I'm here to show you some results here in regards to Clickly. I started out with around 5,000 contacts, and that was free. So when I signed up for free. I got 5,000 contacts, and after about a week and a half, 2 weeks, I'm not sure exact time frame, but I was at 9,348 contacts. So I nearly doubled, almost doubled it. As you can see here, 9,348. And the next one here, I'd earned a commission of $45.10. Same time frame. And let's see, let's go to the next one. Here we are. And after just under a month, we're getting close to 12,000 contacts. So I'm really impressed with the amount of how fast you can build a list with this. Very impressed with it, and still growing. And here we go with the commission at this time is 170, almost 178, rounded up. But that is, pretty impressive. Not bad for a program that started out for free. And I had invested, $100 to get into it. $98 or $97, I believe, to get into it and work it, because I see the potential in this. I see this pulling me in. No guarantees, but I see it pulling me in maybe 500, 600 a month. You got to work it though. It's not, it's not something for nothing. It is nice to get in and see it and see how it works before you actually get involved with it. So I like that aspect of it. And they don't they don't make it seem like a get rich quick scheme. They promote it the proper way. It takes a little bit of work, but the work that you're talking about, you can schedule your whole week on one day within an hour. And then you don't have to bother with it for the rest of the week. I'm pretty impressed with this, but I'll keep you up to date on it. And if you'd like to join me on this project, I'll leave a link below in the description. All right, God bless. Have a great day.